You just had a shower. You reach for a towel. There is only one, a very small one. You look around the bathroom. No more towels. You check the closet. Nothing. You are wet. You are standing in the middle of the room. What do you do? Today, we're going to practice this situation, step by step. Hello, and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. Asking for things at a hotel is one of the most common situations for travelers. Extra towels, extra pillows, extra blankets. These are simple requests, but many learners don't know how to ask in English, so they stay quiet, and they are not comfortable. Today, you'll learn exactly how to make a simple hotel request. Today, you'll hear a short real-life story about asking for more towels. First, just listen. Then we'll break the situation into practical sentences. You'll practice them step by step. And finally, you'll hear the full story again at natural speed. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when you need something extra at a hotel. Let's begin. First, just listen. Last month, I checked into a hotel for 3 nights. The room was clean and comfortable. But after my first shower, I noticed there was only one small towel in the bathroom. I was traveling with my friend. One towel was not enough for 2 people. I picked up the hotel phone and called housekeeping. No answer. I called the front desk instead. "Hello," I said. "This is room 314. There are no towels in my room. I only have one small towel. Could you send some towels, please?" "Of course," the receptionist said. "How many do you need?" "I need at least 2 more," I said. "No problem," she said. "We will send them right away." "How long will it take?" I asked. "About 10 minutes," she said. "Thank you very much," I said. 10 minutes later, someone knocked on the door. He brought 3 fresh towels, large ones. Problem solved. One simple phone call. That's all it took. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first. Then speak with me. There are no towels in my room. There are no towels in my room. I only have one small towel. I only have one small towel. Could you send some towels, please? Could you send some towels, please? I need at least 2 more. I need at least 2 more. How long will it take? How long will it take? Thank you very much. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first. Then speak with me. There are no towels in my room. There are no towels in my room. I only have one small towel. I only have one small towel. Could you send some towels, please? Could you send some towels, please? I need at least 2 more. I need at least 2 more. How long will it take? How long will it take? Thank you very much. Before we finish, here are 2 practical tips. Number 1. Always check your room when you arrive. Check the towels, the pillows, the blankets. If something is missing, call immediately. Don't wait until you need it. Number 2. Be specific when you ask. Don't just say, I need towels. Say, I need at least 2 more towels. This helps the hotel bring exactly what you need. Next time you check into a hotel, look around your room. Count the towels. Check if you have everything you need. And if something is missing, just call and say, could you send some towels, please? 1 sentence. That's enough. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. Now it's your turn. Think about a time you needed something extra at a hotel. Maybe towels. Maybe pillows. Maybe something else. Write 1 sentence in the comments, in English. For example, I called the front desk and asked for extra towels. Great work today! Every episode, your English gets a little better. Keep going. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.